What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Camilo here from Trending Waves, bringing you to our end of the market update for Wednesday, June the 23rd of 2021. So the markets keep on performing as expected within our wave structure. So the S&P here is holding above the trend line that we've been establishing, right? That we've been mentioning throughout our videos. If you have been missing the videos, I encourage you to stop this one and go and take a look at the one we posted yesterday, because it describes in detail how we were expecting the move out of today based on our Elliott wave interpretation. And if you're new to the channel, guys, just make sure you smash that like button and subscribe, because I'm here to help you navigate these markets every single step of the way. All right. Alternatively, if you want to join our Discord group, the link is in the description down below. Just click on it. We are running a 14-day free trial. Totally good to see you there. Hopefully we'll see new faces and we'll look forward to working with you. So our wave count here in the SPY suggests that we're still looking for the third wave of the minor degree. All right. So from let's see here, from the lows of November, we go up in 1, down in 2, 1, 2. Now we're looking for 3, then the pullback in 4, then 5. Excuse me, to complete the wave 3 in the intermediate wave degree. All right, so from the November lows here is where the trend line originated. Okay, you see here that we're backtesting it here again. We broke slightly below it. Let me zoom in, and then we're heading up higher. Now we're holding it as support. Now taking it down to 1 hour time frame. Okay, let's review the wave count from the March to low. So up in 1, down in 2, 50% retracement support, 3, 4, and 5 to complete the wave 1 in the minor degree. ABC pullback into the wave 2, just shy of the 38.2% retracement support. Okay, guys, let me zoom out here for a second. Okay, there we go. Now today we updated our members in that we were always calling for this to be the wave 1, pull back into the wave 2, spot on 50% retracement support, and now we were pushing up higher, right? Once we broke the support, the resistance trend line, right, it's becoming support. Now, this is evident that from our conversation yesterday, or our video rather, right? Wave 1 completed. We're looking for this 3-wave pullback. Okay, now it's holding trend line support, as I just mentioned. Okay, and now we're looking for, at the very least, the 23.6% retracement of this overall wave structure advance at 421.84, or the 38.2% at 420.52. So for the downside, that's where we're looking forward to. All right, we're looking for this area to hold as support. Once we see volume coming in, and once we see a push into the upside, okay, now just keep in mind that if we break below this resistance line, or this support line rather, at this moment in time, it may become resistance. All right, so we have that line, the trend line, then we have this resistance, which was previous all-time high, okay, back in May, and then we have the next line here, which was the previous all-time high in, let's take a look, June the 14th, last week. Okay, so we have 2 levels to watch for the upside, for support. All right, the first level, again, 421.84 and 420.52. Then resistance will be 422.62 and 425.36. Our upside targets, once we see a push through all-time highs, is going to be 435.89. That's our ultimate target. All right, guys. Okay, now that should cover the SPY. Taking you over to the Qs. The Qs, we're seeing that based on our interpretation. Okay, let's take you over to the daily time frame. We have been pushing lower. Okay, so let's take. Oh, this is the Q. This is SPY. My apologies, guys. The Qs. There we go. My apologies, ladies and gentlemen. Long day. So the third wave completed on February the 16th. Down in A, up in B, down in C to find support at the 23.6% of the green count and the 61.8% of the minor degree, which is the blue count. All right, we held support from the trend line that originated back in September. Okay, now we backtested it here, and now we're trending on higher. It appears that we're forming an ending diagonal. All right, and ending diagonals are indicative of the final 5th wave. Now let's take a look at the RSI, see if we see any divergence. Well, I know that we saw. Okay, here we go. So let me reset this chart. Before I dive into the wave count, let's just note this, right? You'll notice that we have price action heading on higher, while RSI, or the strength, right, lowering. Okay, so that's indicative of a wave 5 ending diagonal. All right, so zooming out to the 1 hour time frame. All right, here we go. So from the fourth wave low in the intermediate degree, we go up in one. Sorry, in the green wave count, and the intermediate in the minor degree wave C, we go up in one, down in two, three, four, which came in at the 38.2% retracement. Okay, spot on. Can't get any perfect than that. And now we head on higher, and we broke above the trend line that we pointed out yesterday. Okay, this upper trend line that we've established. It was resistance here in June the 14th, the 17th rather. We pulled back. Now we're starting to see a lot of overlap ending here. Okay, so again, that's indicative of a fifth wave, or the ending diagonal as we're looking at. So the fifth wave of minor degree wave 1. So I'm looking for a pullback, okay, a 3-wave pullback into the minor degree wave 2 that could take us down to the 23.6% or the 38.2%. So the two levels that I'm watching to the downside potentially are going to be 340 spot 23 and 335.48. Should we melt up higher, okay, should we break this trend line, the upper trend line here of this triangle, then this wave count will be invalid and we'll have to reevaluate. But for now, this is where, I mean, I'd rather see this pullback. It'll be healthy, it'll be good, because that will be that will mean that we are going to end up heading on higher. Okay, so the Qs have been breaking new records, all right, but as you can see, it's pretty weak, all right, and you saw divergence on the 1 hour time frame, and so I'm under the impression, and I favor a little bit of a pullback, okay, in 3 waves to the minor degree wave 2. All right, guys, so that was a pretty quick one today. I hope you all had a good one. Again, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for joining our Discord group. The link for the Discord, if you're interested in a 14-day free trial, is down in the description below. Okay, alternatively, just subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up bell button, and smash that like button so that you'll be notified when I upload these videos. As always, thank you so much, and I shall see you guys tomorrow. Take care.